I know it's been a while, so I just decided that I wanted to pop up and give you guys like a quick little mini tutorial on how I sew down my wigs. If you guys don't know, I make wigs on the sewing machine. I make custom wigs for clients. I do ship, do all of that, and I'll link my website down below. So the hair that I'll be featuring in this video is loose deep wave hair, and it comes from Ali Grace. I made a wig out of the hair and I wand curled it last night. This is their loose deep wave hair, and I have the lengths 20, 22, 24, 26, and a 20-inch 5x5 lace closure. I love the 5x5, 6x6 lace closures. Like, they give you the look of the frontal and the feel of the frontal without like really having to, I guess when it comes down to glueless wigs, it's easier to do that with 5x5 and 6x6 closures. And just look at how deep my parting goes. This has been one of my favorite wigs that I've gravitated towards, and I often grab it. She is just perfect, and she's even more beautiful in her natural state. I love loose deep wave hair because it's hair that you can curl and that'll actually hold the curl. So yeah, like I said, I wand curled the wig last night, and I am just going to show you all how I sew her down, wear her gluelessly. So I'm just going to show you guys the inside of my cap. When I really don't feel like doing anything, I just literally all I do is just put her on like this. This is all that I usually do. I usually just throw her on and go. Like, I don't do anything else half the time, but I want to show you guys how I quickly like sew my wig down. So I'm just gonna find like a space between my wefts. I'm just gonna take some needle and thread, and I'm going to stitch the wig down onto my braid. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And literally, this is all that I do to secure my wigs if I'm not using like the elastic band or any wig combs or anything like that, and I just need some added security for the night. I just stitch the wig down onto my braids and call it a day. I know some people like to sew their wig all around. I find that it's not necessary for me because, well, once I stitch it down, it's down, like it's secure. Like, I don't have to sew it all the way around. Like, I really just don't have to. I freaking love this hair, this closure. Just, oh my goodness. The only con that I can say about this hair is that it does shed. Can't even flex, no cap. It's not crazy shedding, it's just noticeable shedding, and it was just something that I felt like I had to share with you guys, because who wants hair that, you know, sheds? Or, you know, yeah, who wants hair that sheds? Even then, it's just like, I want to let you guys know beforehand what to expect with the hair. There you have it. My wig is stitched down. Ooh. Gotta have one of these around, okay? Yes. So there she is. I love wigs so much. It's like the most convenient way for me to rock my hair extensions, and I just wanted to show you guys how you could easily sew down your wigs. I'll leave the link for this hair down below so that you guys can check it out. Loose deep wave hair, period, has got to be one of my favorite patterns to curl. It's like a mix between deep wave and body wave. You know how some people like to use body wave hair to straighten and curl? You could straighten loose deep wave hair. I wouldn't recommend it. I recommend loose deep wave hair if you're trying to go for some curls that'll last you all day and all night. Look at how quick I did that. And this is
This is how long the hair is.
So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll see you in my next video.